Welcome back to Ski Tech Taylor. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I want to touch base on how to make your scraper sharper. It'll make it a lot easier to scrape. The biggest thing is starting out with a 5mm wide scraper. The thicker, the better. You'll get a more even push across the ski. So to start out, you're going to need a piece of 90-degree angle aluminum. They sell them in 3-foot sections at Home Depot and Lowe's. I'll put a link down in the description. This is about 9 inches long. That means you can make actually 4 of these, so you'll have some for your friends to give up as well. The other thing you're gonna need, sandpaper, 120 grit, very easy to come by, and you'll need your scraper. First thing you're gonna need, flat surface. Take your 90-degree piece of aluminum, set it on your sandpaper, 120 grit here. Take your scraper, put it against the 90-degree. Just lightly go back and forth. I'm only putting about 5 to 10 pounds of pressure on it. You can flip it around, do the other side. Boom, you're gonna have a perfectly sharp scraper. Thanks again for tuning in to Ski Tech Taylor. Check back for more.